Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare chili soya bean. So the ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe are: first, I have taken 200 grams of soya bean and I have soaked them in hot water, lukewarm water, for 2 minutes, and then I have squeezed the water out of it, and now I am going to grind them. Salt as per our taste, oil, this is white vinegar, 1 tablespoon, soya sauce, 3 tablespoon. This is light soya sauce. If you're using the dark soya sauce, you have to use 2 tablespoon of soya sauce. I'm using the lighter version, so I have taken 3 tablespoon of soya sauce. Capsicum, half capsicum. If you have a different color also, you can use them. Onion, one onion. I have cut them into big pieces like this. 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. So now let's get started first, friends. So first I'm going to grind these. So friends, here I have chopped it. I have put it in the mixie and I have just roughly grinded it so that this is the correct consistency. If you see, it should be grinded like this only. So now we will add the egg, we will add the black pepper powder and the chili flake, we will add half a teaspoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Friends, in this you can also add ginger and garlic paste instead of chopped ginger and garlic. Maida, that is all purpose flour. Corn flour, this we will need for binding. Soya sauce, 2 tablespoons. And now we will mix this together and we will get the binding consistency. If it's not binding, then add little bit more of maida and corn flour. So friends, here I have added 1 more tablespoon of maida, and salt also I have increased little bit. I have added a little bit more salt, and now see, this has the perfect binding consistency. See, it's binding well. So now let's heat oil to fry these balls. We'll make small balls and keep it ready. So friends, here are the soya kofta balls ready. And here I have heated oil to fry these kofta balls. So we'll put the flame, once the oil is heated, we will put the flame into medium and we will slowly fry these kofta balls. So turn them over. We'll fry them in 2 batches. So over medium flame, I'm going to fry them till they become nice and golden in color. So friends, here our kofta balls are fried perfectly. We will remove them from the oil and fry the remaining kofta balls. Same way we will fry these kofta balls also. So now friends, our second batch of koftas are also fried. We will take this out from the oil. And we will reduce the amount of the oil. We'll remove the excess oil. So friends, here are the koftas ready. You can sprinkle chaat masala on this and serve it as a starter or as an appetizer or a snack. So now let's move on to the next part of it. Let's make the gravy. So I have reduced the amount of oil. So in the same kadhai, I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil and I will add the chopped ginger and garlic. I will add the onion. And the capsicum. Also the green chilies. And now I will saute this for a minute over high flame. Meanwhile friends, let's make a corn flour paste. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour. I will add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and little water, and then I'll make a paste. Mix it and make a nice paste. Make sure there are no lumps in it. Now we will add the vinegar. We'll add little bit of soy sauce. Now when this comes to boil friends, we will add the paste that we have made with the corn flour and the soy sauce and water. We'll add little bit more water. And now we will add these koftas into this. Mix it. Mix it nicely with the koftas. Taste the salt here because we have added soya sauce. If you feel you need more salt, you add salt. Or you can also add soya sauce a little bit more. So here is our chili soya bean ready. As you can see, it's nicely coated with the gravy. So we will put off the flame and now we'll transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our yummy chili soya ready. Serve it hot. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.